Choosing which processor to use for your online store depends on a few factors, like where you're located and which payment methods you want to offer. If you connect a payment processing solution, customers will find its payment options at checkout. Keep in mind, payment processors in commerce are separate from any other payment processors you have connected to Squarespace, such as in scheduling. With Squarespace Payments as your payment solution, you can centralize your finances in one easy-to-use dashboard. To get started, navigate to the Selling menu and open the Payments panel. Under Squarespace Payments, click Turn on Squarespace Payments. Follow the prompts and enter all required information. After you submit your information, you'll be automatically returned to the Payments panel. Here, you'll review the connection status of your Squarespace Payments account. When you connect Squarespace Payments, you can accept the following payment methods. Depending on your location, you can also set up Buy Now, Pay Later services like Afterpay or ClearPay by navigating to the Payment Methods menu. To receive payouts, connect a checking account to your Squarespace Payments account. To do this, from the Payments panel, click Connect Bank, then continue and follow the prompts. Squarespace Payments will then use Plaid to authenticate and verify your checking account. If you're new to Squarespace Payments and you haven't previously used Stripe, you will only be able to connect a bank account after you've made your first sale. You also have the option of using a third-party payment processor. Connecting Stripe lets customers pay with their debit and credit card without creating or logging into an account. Stripe accepts payments from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. You can also accept Apple Pay from customers checking out on a supported device. After connecting your Stripe account, you'll receive a confirmation email from Squarespace. The payments section of your checkout page will look like this. Connecting a PayPal business account lets customers check out using their PayPal or Venmo accounts. After connecting your store to a PayPal account, you'll receive a confirmation from Squarespace. Customers can click Pay with PayPal to log into their PayPal account and complete the purchase. Customers on mobile devices will also see the option to check out with Venmo. PayPal is popular internationally, while Stripe lets customers pay with debit and credit cards without creating or logging into an account. By offering both, you support customers checking out with their preferred payment method. Keep in mind, to connect Stripe and PayPal, your country must be supported by both payment processors. The available currencies depend on the location of the bank account connected to your Stripe or PayPal account. It isn't possible to select more than one currency. With Squarespace Point of Sale, you can use Square to process in-person cash and card payments that integrate with your online store. You'll set up this integration in the Squarespace Commerce app. When setting up your payment processor, there are processing fees for Squarespace Payments and third-party payment processors. If you have questions about the third-party processing fees, please contact them for further information. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.